Spain. Fernando Torres has worked his way to the touchline. Nice little exchange of passes with Mata, and Torres scores for Spain and beats the goalkeeper. By David Villa, looking for room, trying to squeeze it through. Lovely ball to David Silva. He won't miss. It's two to Spain. Good turn by David Villa, looking for room, trying to squeeze it through. Lovely ball to David Silva. He won't miss. It's two to Spain. Everyone onside, and it's square into the path of David Villa, and he tucks it into the net for a span. Cleared over his shoulder for Tahiti by Ludivion. Back in by Monreal and tucked into the back of the...
No fear, even without the ball, his movement's been excellent.
That's nice from David Silva. Queuing up in the middle, it could go back to Torres. It does, and Spain... David Villa is onside, and the goalkeeper's missed it. And Spain have 7. Kevin, a long time to go. 25 minutes to go. And it's... Lorenzo Tejo couldn't quite control it. Is there a fantasy end to this game? Here's Fernando Torres. He'll be absolutely determined to put this away. He's round the goalkeeper, and he has scored.